we're gonna teach you how to pour water in the nether. So let's start. First, you need to type this command and like slash water. Oh, water, water, fill nether. You need to type this command, water fill nether. If it says that, ignore that. That's fake. Also, search water. Water. Like that. And then use this command. And slash can fill water nether. Like that, guys. If it says that, it's still, don't listen to it. And then do this. Now you can pour water in the nether. So like and subscribe if you learned it.